not try to make law.
Another question I always ask folks, and this is important to me, that I view there's two kinds of judges, and there's one kind that views the U.S. Constitution or state constitution with its original intent, the original intent of the people who drafted it. In other words, whatever year they wrote that Constitution, and they intended that Constitution to mean X, Y, and Z, and at the times required the Constitution to change, then it should be ratified through a process outlined in the Constitution. Then there were others who view the Constitution as a living document, meaning that it evolves with the times, and it might have been written to mean this 100 years ago, but times require us to interpret it differently, and so they view it as a living document that changes with the times. What are your views on that, and what would you expect your judges' views to be on that?
I don't think that the Constitution ought to evolve with the times. It is what it is, and if you want to change it, then you have an amendment process. For example, I'm trying to pass an amendment to the U.S. Constitution to require a federal balanced budget. I don't think the judges ought to mandate it. It ought to be passed. So, no, I think we have too many things in our society that are changing all the time. There got to be a few compasses, don't you all think? There ought to be a couple compasses that we have in the world, and one of them ought to be the Constitution of the United States of America. So that's pretty simple for me.